Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Solutions Info. Some of you might have tried transferring a movie from your PC onto your iPhone but didn't work because the file format of the movie isn't supported by iPhone. Don't worry, in this video we are going to show you how to transfer such movies to your iPhone. First of all, you will need to download KM Player on your iPhone. It has so many video file formats pre-built in it which support such movies. Go to App Store and search KM Player, then download. I have mine already downloaded, so we are going to go straight into it. Now go to your PC and open 3utools. I'm going to leave the download link to 3utools in the description box. After, connect your iPhone to the PC. On the left pane, click Apps. When you click Apps, all applications installed on your iPhone will be displayed, but for some reasons I'm going to cover the apps on this iPhone, except apps I'm demonstrating on. Locate KM Player in the list of apps and click the View button by it. This window is the location where the movies or videos you are going to transfer to your iPhone will be. Click the Import button at the top of the page. That is going to allow you navigate through your PC to select the movie you want to transfer. I'm going to select a movie to transfer from my PC. Looking through to select one of my favorites. Once you find the movie you want to transfer, double-click it for the transfer to begin. As you can see, it has been transferred successfully. Same way we transferred a movie, you can select multiple movies for transfer provided you have enough storage space on your iPhone. To do that, you just have to click the Import button, select the movies you want to transfer and click Open. So this is basically how to transfer movies or videos from your PC to any iPhone. Now let's see how the movie we transferred looks like on the iPhone. Open KM Player on the iPhone, tap Video on the tabs down the page, and then tap Documents on the tabs up on the page. That is where the transferred movie or movies will be. KM Player also has a variety of interesting features that will make you enjoy watching movies on your iPhone.
York's been in charge of this place since it opened. His wife was in the North Tower and collapsed. He's been running on hate ever since.
Judging by your guess, looks like he's not.